Alright, back at it again. Up for another one. Let's go. And in this one, what we have, Keys? Well, continuing with the news updates, brace yourself because things are about to get weirder. That's right, folks. It is being reported that a new epidemic is here, the bird flu. That's right, folks. It is being said that Georgia has issued a state of emergency after a case of the bird flu has been found, and they have stopped the sale of chickens and birds across farming industries and all kinds of places. All right, that's shocking, guys. So it is here ahead of Trump's inauguration too. We're gonna see what happens next, but this is gonna spread to other states. More to come, guys. Stay tuned till the next one.